Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Today I have the Nissan Pathfinder. I'm gonna be showing you how to exchange or replace the light bulb that is the low beam. Sorry, this is the high beam right here, and then the low beam is underneath here. I'll be showing you, as you can see right there, I'll show you how to replace that as well. So it is very simple. All you do is you push that little clip right there, and then you pull it down, turn it, and you pull it out, just as you see me doing right now. It comes out, and then you can replace it with a new one. And this is a 9005. So remember that the voltage is different for the high and the low beam. So once you've exchanged the bulb, all you do is you put it back in and turn it the opposite direction from how you turned it to remove it out. So you push it towards the left. You want to check the connector for any corrosion or anything like that. This one looks good. So you can simply snap it back in and you are good to go. Now for the low beam, this little panel on the left here, you have to take it out, and to take it out is to remove these two snap buttons. It's very easy. You push it in and then it comes out, or you can use a flat head screwdriver and snap it out, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to show you. That's it. It's pretty much the same like this one. Again, you push and then you pull it down. It comes out really easy. You turn it and pull it out, just like that. And then you can change the bulb. Yeah, snap it back in, turn, and then check for any corrosion or any abnormality. That one looks great. Push it back in and you're good to go. Now in the event where you change your bulb and it doesn't work, it may mean that you probably have to change your fuse, and your fuse box is found right here on the other side of the of the hood. And when you pull it open, you see the 10 and the 15. The 10 is for the low, the 15 is for the high, and you can just test those out. And whichever one that is not working, you see the 10, the two 10s and the two 15s. They go for the right and the left respectively for each bulb. That is for the high and the low. So thank you guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.